In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoom freezing issues. It's a common problem that many of us have faced, especially when trying to get some work done or stay connected with loved ones. Don't worry though, with a few simple steps, you can significantly improve your Zoom experience and enjoy seamless video calls. First, let's address the most likely culprit, your internet connection. Zoom requires a stable internet connection to function smoothly. A weak or intermittent signal can cause the app to freeze or lag. Start by checking your internet connection speed. You can use online speed tests to make sure your connection is strong enough to support video calls. If you find that your internet is slow or unstable, try disconnecting and reconnecting to your network. This can often be an immediate fix to any temporary issues with your internet. Simply go to your network settings on your device, disconnect from your current network, and then reconnect. If you're using a Wi-Fi connection, you might want to try moving closer to the router or removing any potential sources of interference. Next, we'll want to ensure that your Zoom app is up to date. Software updates often come with bug fixes and improvements that can resolve freezing issues. To check if your Zoom app is up to date, open the Zoom application on your device. Look towards the top right corner of the app, where you should see your profile icon. Click on it. Within the drop-down menu that appears, you should see an option that says Check for Updates. Once you click on Check for Updates, Zoom will automatically check its servers to see if you're running the latest version. If an update is available, you will be prompted to install it. Make sure to follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the update. This process helps ensure you're benefiting from the latest performance improvements and bug fixes provided by Zoom. In summary, the key to resolving Zoom freezing issues often lies in ensuring you have a robust internet connection and keeping your Zoom app current with the latest updates. By taking these steps, you're maximizing your chances of having an uninterrupted and smooth Zoom call. If your issues persist despite trying these solutions, consider reaching out to your internet service provider for further assistance or exploring additional technical support from Zoom. The goal is to make sure your video calls are as clear and stable as possible so you can stay connected without being interrupted by technical difficulties. That brings us to the end of our guide on how to fix Zoom freezing issues. I hope you found these tips helpful and that they improve your Zoom video call experience. Remember, having the right setup and keeping your software updated can make all the difference. Thanks for watching and happy Zooming!